how to set Do Not Disturb exceptions for alarms, media sound, touch sounds, calendar events, or reminders on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next go down and tap on notifications. In here you want to go down and tap on Do Not Disturb. Next go down and tap on alarms and sounds. Now in the list here you can turn on or turn off alarms, media sound, touch sounds, calendar events and reminders, so turn them on or off as necessary. And finally you can tap on the home key to return to your home screen. Now say that when Do Not Disturb is on, sound and vibration will be muted except for the items you allowed above. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.